Are you tired of dealing with sluggish performance or costly repairs due to a clogged catalytic converter? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best catalytic converter cleaners of 2025. Whether you're looking to improve your vehicle's efficiency, restore its power, or just save some money on repairs, these cleaners are packed with the power to get your engine running like new again. But don't go anywhere. Stick around until the end because one of these cleaners is an absolute game changer and might just blow your mind. And trust me, number 3 is a must-see. It's a standout in this year's lineup. As always, you can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 6. Solderit Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer. The Solderit Catalytic Converter Cleaner and Deodorizer is a highly effective fuel additive designed to keep your vehicle's emission system running smoothly. It helps clean and deodorize the catalytic converter, effectively eliminating the dreaded rotten egg smell caused by sulfur in the exhaust. This product works on both monolithic and pelletized catalytic converters, making it a versatile choice for a variety of vehicles. Additionally, it cleans the oxygen sensors, EGR valves, and combustion chambers, ensuring that the engine remains in top condition. By using this cleaner, you can also extend the time between tune-ups and improve overall vehicle performance. To use it, simply add the 16 Oz bottle to a full tank of gas and drive until the tank is nearly empty. For faster results, you can pour the cleaner directly into the carburetor throat while the engine is running, helping to clear out carbon buildup. Priced at about $9.99, this product provides an affordable way to maintain your vehicle and avoid costly repairs down the line. It's an excellent option for those looking to keep their catalytic converter in good working order and avoid bad smells, which often indicate a problem. If you're someone who drives frequently and wants to prevent costly repairs, this cleaner could be a great choice for your maintenance routine. Number 5. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner is an essential tool for maintaining your vehicle's fuel system. Its exclusive polyetheramine (PEA) formula works to dissolve harmful deposits that can clog fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. This cleaner is designed to restore lost power, improve acceleration, and address issues like rough idle, hesitation, and spark plug fouling. The Techron cleaner is compatible with all gasoline engines, including those running ethanol blends, E10, E15, E85. It is oxygen sensor safe and won't harm catalytic converters. Regular use helps to relieve cold start problems, improve fuel economy, and reduce exhaust emissions. Chevron recommends using it every 3,000 miles or during oil changes for optimal performance. Priced between $10 and $15 for a 20 Oz bottle, it's an affordable and effective solution for maintaining your engine's health. Is it right for you? If you're experiencing poor engine performance, sluggish acceleration, or rough idling, this product is a great investment. It can enhance fuel efficiency and prevent further damage, making it an excellent preventative maintenance option for vehicle owners. Number 4. Catalytic Complete Engine, Fuel, and Exhaust System Cleaner. Seafoam Motor treatment is a well-regarded fuel and engine additive that works effectively in both gasoline and diesel engines. This product is designed to clean fuel injectors, carburetor jets, and even stabilize fuel, while also lubricating upper cylinders to improve engine performance. Some of its key features include its ability to remove carbon deposits and sludge buildup, stabilize fuel, and prevent moisture issues in the fuel system. It can also help reduce engine NOx and improve fuel efficiency. When it comes to usage, Seafoam can be added directly to the gas tank, 1 ounce per gallon of fuel, the crankcase, 1.5 ounces per quart of oil, or the intake system, depending on the treatment needed. It is versatile and can also be used to clean vital parts like intake valves, cylinders, and spark plugs. This product has a reputation for being affordable and effective at solving common engine problems such as misfires, poor fuel economy, and rough idling. In terms of pricing, a 20 Oz bottle of Seafoam motor treatment typically costs around $10 to $15, making it an economical solution for many car owners. So, is this product right for you? If you're dealing with sluggish engine performance, carbon buildup, or want to maintain the overall health of your engine, Seafoam can be a great choice. However, it's important not to overuse it, as it could potentially lead to issues like thinning oil or causing sludge buildup if used excessively. Number 3. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer is a high-performance fuel treatment designed to clean and stabilize your engine's fuel system. One of its standout features is its ability to clean injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, restoring fuel economy and increasing horsepower. After a single treatment, it can boost fuel economy by an average of 3.2% and increase horsepower by 2.6%. It also reduces harmful emissions like hydrocarbon, NOx, and CO by 12%, 13%, and 18% respectively. This fuel system cleaner is compatible with both gasoline and diesel engines and works with all ethanol blends or biofuels. It also helps reduce engine knocking and pinging caused by deposits and provides superior corrosion and oxidation protection. Another advantage is its ability to stabilize fuel during off-season storage, making it perfect for seasonal vehicles like boats or RVs. Priced around $18 to $22 for a 20-ounce bottle, it's available at various retailers like O'Reilly Auto Parts and Summit Racing. If you're looking for a reliable solution to clean and maintain your fuel system, particularly for improving fuel efficiency and engine performance, Royal Purple Max Clean is a solid choice. It's highly recommended for those who want to extend the life of their engine and reduce emissions, making it worth the investment for both everyday drivers and seasonal vehicle owners. Number 2. CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula. The CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula is a powerful additive designed to tackle the buildup of harmful deposits in your vehicle's fuel system. This product is a game-changer for those aiming to reduce emissions, boost fuel efficiency, and improve engine performance. The formula works by using advanced detergent technology to clean fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, ensuring smoother operation. The product is suitable for all gasoline-powered vehicles, including hybrids, SUVs, trucks, and cars with both direct and port fuel injection systems, even turbocharged and supercharged engines. It's a safe, oxygen sensor-friendly solution that's easy to use. Just add it to your fuel tank before your emissions test. Whether you need to pass a test or want to maintain the long-term health of your engine, this formula promises reliable results. At a price of approximately $11.99 for a 12 Oz bottle, it's a solid investment to keep your vehicle running efficiently. If you're looking to save money on fuel, reduce harmful emissions, and optimize engine performance, CRC's Guaranteed to Pass Emissions Test Formula is a smart choice. Its ability to help your vehicle pass emissions tests while improving fuel efficiency makes it particularly beneficial for anyone who wants to maintain a cleaner vehicle and support better air quality. Number 1. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam Motor treatment is a highly effective and versatile engine additive designed for gasoline and diesel engines, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and snowmobiles. It is known for its ability to clean fuel injectors and carburetor jets, stabilize fuel, and control moisture in the fuel system. Seafoam also helps lubricate upper cylinders, quiet noisy lifters, and acts as a fuel stabilizer for long-term storage. To use, simply add seafoam to the fuel tank at a ratio of 1 ounce per gallon for regular maintenance, or pour it into the oil about 300 miles before an oil change to flush the engine. This treatment ensures your engine starts easier, runs smoother, and lasts longer, especially for engines that sit idle for extended periods. Seafoam is available for around $8 to $12 for a 16 Oz bottle, making it a cost-effective solution for engine upkeep. Is it the right choice for you? If you have engines that aren't used frequently or tend to suffer from rough starts, Seafoam is a great preventive measure. It helps maintain performance and avoid costly repairs. However, if you have a major engine issue, it's not a quick fix but a tool for maintenance.